tell this problem solution. Let the argumented of these three equations. The argumented matrix is denoted by capital A. This is taken as from the first equation, taken here the first row, that is the x coefficient 1, y coefficient 1, z coefficient 1 and constant 6 is taken as first row. Next, from the second equation, the x coefficient 1, y coefficient 2 and z coefficient is 3 and this constant is 14. This is taken as second row. Next, from the third equation, we take x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 4, z coefficient is 9 and constant is 36. This is the augmented matrix. Now, this matrix is reduced to standard form. Reduced to standard form. The standard form is 1 0 0 alpha 0 1 0 beta 0 0 1 gamma. For that, first we can observe the first row first element is equal to 1. Okay, we don't change it. Now we take the second row first element. This is equal to 0 and this one is also equal to 0. For that, these two elements are equating to 0. We take the rows, apply second row R2 has here this element is equal to 0. So for that we take R2 equal R2 minus R1. Here R2 into 1 minus 1. Okay. So 1 minus 1 is equal 0. For that we take the order R2 equal to R2 minus R1. And R3 row also we can take R3 minus R1. According to these orders, we change this matrix rows. Next, thus A is changed to first row taken as is 1 1 1 6. This second row, by using this order we change the elements. So here the R2 element is 1. Corresponding element of R1 is 1. 1 minus 1. R2 minus R1 na? For that we take 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 equal 0. Here we take the elements. R2 equal R2 minus R1 na? So first element is 1 na? So 1 is changed to 1 minus R1 element is 1 na? So for that 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Next, this second element is 2. 2 is changed to here R2 equal to 2 and R1 element of corresponding element is 1. Okay. 2 minus 1 is equal 1. Next element is 3. This 3 is changed to here 3. R2 means 3 na? So 3 minus the corresponding element of R1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is equal 2. Next, here we take 14. That 14 element changed to 14 minus 6. By using this order we can take the elements. Okay. 14 minus 6 equal 8. This is the second row. As it is we can take 0, 1, 2, 8. Now we can find the third row by using this order, that is R3 equal R3 minus R1. R3 first element is 1. So that is changed to here R3 element is 1 minus R1 corresponding element is 1. 1 minus 1 equal 0. Next second element is 4. That 4 is changed to, so here R3 element is 4 minus the corresponding element of 4 is 1. 4 minus 1 is equal 3. Next the element is 9. 9 is changed to R9 minus the corresponding element of R1 is 1. 9 minus 1, 8. So next element is 36. That 36 element is changed to by order R3 minus R1. R3 equal to 36 minus the corresponding element of 36 in R1 is 6. 36 minus 6 is 30. These are the elements. That is third row changed to 0, 3, 8, 30. Okay. Now we can observe this element is equal to 0 or not. 1. Equal to 1. In the standard form in the place we have 1. So here also we have 1. So for that this element has no change. Next this element and this element R1 second element, R3 second element are equating to 0. Here we have 0 na. So for that we take these two elements are equating to 0. For apply R1 equal, here this element is equating to 0. For that we take R1 minus R2. 1 minus 1 is equal 0 na. So for that R1 minus R2 we can take. Next and R3 row. R3 is equating to 0. For that we take the order R3 equal R3 minus, we are using the second row because here the first element is 0. If we use the first row, then this element is get it some values. So that we take only second row. R3 minus, here we have 3 na. So 3 into here the element is 1. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. For that this one is multiplied to 3. Then 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. We got it. For that we take R3 minus 3 R2. So according to these orders we can find the first row and third row. This third row and this first row we can change. Now first row according to this order. So here R1 element is 1. 1 minus R2 corresponding element is 0. 1 minus 0 equals 1. Next R1 second element is 1. The corresponding element of R2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is equal 0. Next here R1 element is 1. Third element. The corresponding element of R2 is 2. 1 minus 2 equal minus 1. Next, here we have 6. The corresponding element of 6 is 8. 6 minus 8. So, these elements are changed to 1 changed to 1, 1 changed to 0, 1 changed to minus 1 and 6 changed to minus 2. So, this is the first row. As it is, we can take in the first row 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. Next, second row taken as is 0, 1, 2, 8. Next, we take the third row by using this order. By using this order, we can find the third row elements. First, in R3, we have the first element is 0. The 0 is changed to by order. R3 element is 0. For that, we take R2 element. 0 minus 3 into 0. The corresponding element of 0 is 0 na. So for that we take 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is equal 0. Next element we have 3. So 3 tends to 3 minus 3 into here the corresponding element is 1 na. So for that we take 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Next here we have 8. 8 changed to 8 minus 3 into the corresponding element of 8 in R2 is 2. 8 minus 6 equal to. Next, here we have 30. Tends to 30 minus 3 into 8. So 8 3 is 24 na, 30 minus 24, that is equal 6. We take it the third row, 0 0 2 6. Next we take this element is equating to 1. So for that we can apply R3 equal R3 into this element is equating to 1 na? So this is multiplied with 1 by 2. Then 2 2 get cancelled, we get it 1. Okay, for that we 1 by 2 is multiplied to R3. Then A matrix change to R1 row R2 row taken as it is. 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 2 8. This row 0 into 1 by 2 0 0 into 1 by 2 0 2 into 1 by 2 2 2 cancel, we get it 1. 6 into 1 by 2 2 1s 2 3s, like this. 6 into 1 by 2 equal 2 1s 2 3s, we get it 3. Okay, next apply this element. Here R1 row element and R2 element. Here these two are equating to 0. In the standard form we have 0 na. For that these two elements are equating to 0. For that we take the order R1 taken as R1. Here we are using only third row. By using third row we can change these elements. Okay. So here R1 minus 1 plus 1 0. So for that we take plus R3. And R2 row taken as, here we have 2 na, so 2 is equating to 0. For that we take R2. Here in the third row this element is equal to 2, then 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. For that we take R2 minus 2 R3. We are using the orders like this. Next, according to these orders we get the first row and second rows. Now we can find the first row and second row. R1, this is the R1 order, R1 plus R3. In the first row we have element is 1. That one element changed to 1 plus R3 element is corresponding of 1 element is 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 is equal 1. Next here we have 0. Next the 0 plus the corresponding element of 0 in R3 is 0. 0 plus 0 is equal 0. Next minus 1, the third element. This corresponding element of minus 1 is 1 in R3. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal 0. Next minus 2. Minus 2 plus the corresponding element of minus 2 is 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is equal 1. We get it 1 0 0 1. Next we take the second row. This is the second row. So here the first element is 0. 0 changed to R2 element. First element is 0 na. 0 minus 2 into R3 first element 0. So we got it 0. R2 second element 1. 1 changed to 1 minus 2 into the corresponding element of 1 in R3 is 0. 1 minus 0 is equal 1. Next this element, third element, 2 changed to 2 minus 2 into this order we are using. Okay, 2 minus 2 into R3. R3 element is 2 corresponding R3 is 1. 2 minus 2 is equal 0. Next we take the element 8. 8 minus 2 into the corresponding element of 8 in R3 is 3. 8 minus 6 equal 2. We take these elements 0, 1, 0, 2. Next last element is, last element, third row elements are 0, 0, 1, 3. This is our required standard form. Okay, we got it, the values. Okay, x equal 1, y is equal 2, z is equal 3 is the solution of given equations.